All right. Looking for a quick and easy appetizer?
Appetizer?
Yep. All right, stay tuned.
What time is it? It's time to eat. Come on.
Hello, welcome to our camp. This is Camp Cleaver. My name is Don Cleaver. This is my daughter Casey. And today we're going to make a green chili chipotle relish with cream cheese. Cream cheese.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, very quick and easy. Let's give it a try.
Okay, all we need is this.
Yep. This
Kent
is
Rollins.
Kent Rollins' own recipe for green chili chipotle relish. And if you don't know how to make it, in his cookbook it shows you exactly how to make it from scratch. So we're going to use the one we bought off of his website to make this, and it's going to be quick and easy.
All right, 1 block of cream cheese.
And while she's opening that cream cheese, just tell you a little bit about Kent Rollins. I was looking for different recipes we can use while we're camping, and I came across Kent Rollins. He does a lot of cowboy cooking and cooking on ranches and chuck wagon style. And so that fit very, very close to what we're doing. And he does a lot of his cooking on cast iron and Dutch ovens and things like that, since you don't have a conventional oven out there on the ranch. And so very similar to what we're doing. So I got his cookbook, and my quest is to go through every recipe in his book. And this is one of the recipes, so we're gonna give it a try. So
All right.
So we add our block of cream cheese, and then we just pour
Some of his
if I can get
green
it open.
chili chipotle relish right on top. And then cracker it, and then that's it.
That's it. Like I say, very easy. But like I say, if you don't have his relish, there is a recipe in his book that tells you how to make it. All right, let's give it a try.
There you go. That is really good.
There's just a tad bit of heat to the relish, and it makes it really good. All right. And as always, if you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe, and
Hit that notification button like right here.
check out our other videos. We have videos on other recipes that we're trying in the book, and plus kind of our little camp setup that we have. And those will be up in one of these top corners. So,
Bye.
and as always, we like to salute our veterans. I was in the Marines for 20 years, and I appreciate that. And our veterans help keep our flag flying over our campsite. So have a great day. All right.
That's so good.
We gotta go give that to Mr. Bill.
Mr. Bill.